Depending on your profession, whether you're a student, a coder, photographer, the list goes on, your choice of must-have apps will vary, but the app I'm going to talk to you about now is one that no matter what profession you are in, will be a useful day-to-day driver that you'll eventually take for granted until you find yourself with a Mac that doesn't have it installed. The app in question is Magnet by Crowd Cafe, a Windows management app that takes a feature first introduced in Windows and brings it to the Mac. Magnet allows you to use shortcuts to automatically resize your windows to take up various parts of the screen, be it just a corner, half a screen or full size, no matter the resolution of your monitor, or even just using your mouse to drag your windows over to different points of the screen to auto resize. It becomes especially useful when you wish to have two screens side by side. The Magnet app is available in the Mac App Store for $2.99, so go check it out in the Mac App Store. I have no affiliation with them, and I get no money from you guys purchasing them. I just appreciate useful, well-made apps.